Does the crease on the Galaxy Z Flip 4 annoy you sometimes? What about the small 1.9 inches cover screen that can perform only a handful of functions? If yes, then the Galaxy Z Flip 5 should be your #1 pick. It comes with a massive 3 inches cover screen, a creaseless screen, and a better performing processor.
You guys will love it, trust me.
Here is why you'll love the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Bigger cover display screen. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 will come with an upgraded cover screen. Unlike its previous model, the S Flip 4, which had a tiny 1.9 inches cover display screen for viewing notifications, date and time, changing playing tracks, etc., the new 3-inch outer display screen of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 would improve the functionality of the device.
Wow, that's awesome.
For example, users can browse through social media right from the cover screen, watch YouTube videos, and view images received from texts and the likes. A bigger cover screen will greatly improve the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Advanced processor. Samsung is also aiming to improve the performance of the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Most of the 2023 list of phones from Samsung, such as the Galaxy S23 lineups, Z Fold 5, and the Z Flip 5, will all be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor.
Trust me, this is going to be great.
This would be a massive upgrade of the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. The new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 would improve the GPU and CPU performance of the device, improve the battery power saving capacity, and enhance the connectivity of the phone. Creaseless screen. The Galaxy Z Flip 4's glaring crease screen is a major downside. Although the IPX8 hinge system makes the device water-resistant to some extent, it also creates a horizontal crease on the screen which sometimes becomes annoying. Just like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung intends to fix this problem. The Flip 5 will be equipped with the water drop hinge system that is used in some foldable brands, such as Xiaomi and Motorola, that makes the crease on their screens less visible. This means that Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 users can enjoy their water-resistant device without worrying about an annoying crease on the screen.
Applaud!
These are the major leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 so far. However, there might also be some additional upgrades, such as a better camera system and improved battery performance, which has been a major downside in previous models. Click on the next video to know all the major leaks about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 5. You'll love it.